coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world.
Hello, this is my If We Could Shrink the World video, where I'll be moving from a poor village to a place of millions of people. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy it. So, one of the things I've noticed about here is the water. It's not brown anymore like back home. It's nice and clear. The food in this city is so good, such as drinks like this and food like this. You guys want some?
Yeah. Yummy. So beautiful. Chocolate cake, yeah.
Chocolate, cupcake, Dunkin' Donuts, great. Nice indeed.
Yeah, it's so good, guys! Yeah.
Sports are very good here in the city. We can play sports like soccer here. Here, we'll show you. Hey, pass. We can also play sports like basketball. Sports are very good here. The buildings are so big here, like this apartment and this convention center, where we have
Gym, swimming pool.
coffee shop,
Restaurant.
So thank you for watching my If We Could Shrink the World video.
Thank you.
Tell the world I'm coming home. Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. I know my kingdom awaits, and